I hope you guys are having a great day, and I am here in one of the ULTA stores here in my hometown of Las Vegas, and I am here to show you guys the new products in the makeup world, some of them. ULTA is one of the stores that I love to come to just because they have drugstore products and they also have like the high-end, so this is a perfect place to show you guys kind of what's new, what's out there. Let's get started with this video. I am super excited, and just so you guys know, I asked for permission so I can comfortably show you guys everything that I want to show you guys without like having to hide or anything. So let's get started. Okay, beauties, and we're gonna start with a very famous brand, which is Benefit, and they are pretty much famous a lot for many things, but one of them is a professional that I love. But one of the other stuff that they have going on right now is this foundation, the Hello Happy foundation, and they also have it in the size mini here at ULTA, which is super cool. It's like $15 and $30 for the regular size. This is medium coverage. It does have SPF 15. We have this other thing from this collection, which is the powder, and the powder is also $30. Along with this, I forgot to tell you guys, it's $30. But yeah, so let's keep looking for more. It stands for the ColourPop, and they have 30 shades of these concealers. That is the no filter concealer. That I can imagine is that maybe they mean, like, especially because they have a lot of shades, like you could just get, you know, choose the shade of your skin and then just cover certain imperfections in your skin rather than using like a full-on foundation coverage. But yes, so it's $6.50. I would be super interested to you know, try this out, and I'm gonna try to see what shade is my shade, because I've been trying to get something that covers like imperfections rather than using the full-on foundation. So yeah, I'm kind of excited to see if any of these will work for that. I think this is a little too light, but let's see. I think I'm more like over here, and they're actually also down, so it sucks. I think this is too orangey. So, voy a llevarme uno de estos, nomás que la verdad no sé qué tono puede ser el mío. Anticipo como que este mediano quizás. Este de aquí es el medium dark y se mira como que no me va a quedar. Entonces este es uno antes, que la verdad que miren, es muchísimo la diferencia. Quizás este está... Oh my god, and talking about colorful palettes, guys, Juvia's Place is actually the first time I hear about this brand, but the colors look so beautiful. I'm gonna swatch some of them so you guys can kind of see the colors. Look at this beautiful color, guys. It has so much pigmentation. Okay, vamos al próximo. We'll go to the next one, and we'll do this blue. Okay, this one has a little bit less, but I still feel that it looks beautiful. Let's go with another palette. How about we do this yellow? And so this is interesting. I feel like I've never really seen this before. They seem to have this new mascara. It's a waterproof mascara, you know, especially right now for the pool, for the beach. We needed that waterproof mascara. Personally, for me, I'd rather not use makeup, but if you do have to use some type of mascara, I think, you know, I don't know, try this one out. I love the packaging. Isn't it so cute? Oh, miren lo que vemos así. Guys, here we are at the Lips and Eyes section of NYX, and they have this off-tropic palettes, which is, you know, tropical vibes. It's $20, and it has matte tones and it has shimmery tones. It's so cute. I love them all because I feel like they're colorful, but you're still able to create like a more... I love when it like browns and oranges and stuff like that, so I feel like this is like a palette for me. Okay guys, so let's go here to the Revolution Beauty section. I feel like they have a bunch of stuff all the time. A lot of stuff are very new to me, but for you guys, probably not. I did see in the website that there was a few palettes that ULTA considered new. I'm not sure. I feel like I've seen them before. I could be wrong though. But this one right here, has beautiful colors. And here, guys, you know how like whenever you see this at a store and they're like out, it's like new product. Well, they have this mascara, which is Volume and Lip. That's on the Rise Volume Lip Mascara. Look at the pictures here. If it does that, oh my god, I need to take it like now. But we'll see. Another thing that caught my attention is this brow pencil. I am in dire need of a pencil right now. I've been using the Benefit pencil lately, the one that has the highlighter that has like many colors, but unfortunately like the color's already ending the product, so I wanted to try something else. Now that I didn't like it, but one thing that product was actually missing for me was a little brush like this. And look, this is like so cool to distribute. The product is like super cool. These are nice too. And I am super excited because this is one of the products I was actually looking for, which is the Maybelline Urban Cover Foundation. I am super excited because I actually tried looking for it at Walgreens and I couldn't find it. So yes, it does say it's a lightweight full coverage foundation, and it's a drugstore, guys, so I am super excited for that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take it now. It's $12.99 here at ULTA, and I will be taking this color right here because this one seems like too, I don't know, like too light. This one looks too pinkish, and then this one too orange. So this one seems like the right color for me. Okay guys, and we are here at the Loreal Infallible section, and I call it Infallible section because apparently I feel that L'Oreal got very good reviews on like the infallible products, that they came up with a whole bunch. I know they started with this one, which is the infallible 24-hour foundation, and it's a pro matte. And then they came out with the glow, the pro glow, and they came out with like the full coverage. But now they also came out with this one right here, which is pretty cool. I wouldn't know what to tell you. I don't know the difference between this one and the other one. But if the other one's good, I'm really hoping this one is good as well. I did try the full coverage, and I did not like it. Guys, this is another of the foundation, like I was telling you, that I'm very excited to show you guys. It's the Revlon Candid, because it says that it has antioxidants, anti-pollutants, anti-blue light ingredients, and vitamin E. If you guys are asking yourself, like, the anti-blue light ingredients, like, what the heck does that mean? Usually the light from your cell phone or any type of that light is supposed to be like that for your skin. And like, here we are at the BH Cosmetics section, and they do have this palette, Take Me Back to Brazil. They have this one and this one is more shimmery colors, like you could already tell. And this one has like a mix of both. I think it's mostly matte colors. Yes. So they're like a mix of matte and then a mix of shimmery. And this is another one of the new products that I couldn't find on the Revlon section, but it was here in another place. It is called the Revlon So Fierce Mascara. It does say it extends the lift and then gives you volume. And this is also a palette that I just found right now randomly here. And look at the colors, they're so beautiful. They're mostly neutral colors. The only one they have like pop is the Chile and Rio Grande. And pretty much these other four. There's like 4 poppy colors, but the rest are like neutral colors. So yeah, this seems like a pretty cool palette. It's $26 here at ULTA. So guys, these L'Oreal lipsticks just came out. The only difference is they've made new scents. This is a scented liquid lipstick. So the scents right now that they have new are like the macarons, how the macarons smell. Macaroons? I think it's macaroons, right? Or macarons? Macarons. Shit, sorry, don't kill me because of that. And I just found this Tarte one here. It's so beautiful. Look at the packaging. They always come up with like the cutest stuff. Here from Anastasia, which is the Elisa Edwards. It is $45. But I love how the matte colors look. They look like intense matte colors, and then like the glittery ones look like super glittery. Beauties, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And like you guys can tell, there is a bunch of new things at the drugstore, and then also the high-end side. Oftentimes we cannot buy like everything, so I thought this was a really good idea to show you guys what's new, show you guys a little bit of the products, swatches, colors, consistency, and stuff like that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, to subscribe to this channel, and leave me a comment down below. And now I'm gonna go pay for my stuff.